Everyone will listen, even if it hurts sometimes. If you will come and hear the message, everyone wants to learn to love again. Open up and come alive. If you will, can you hear my message? Leave your pain on the bedroom floor again, and bring a smile to survive. That you have that in you. And if you're here and you're all alone tonight, and then I'll give you a free ride. Take a chance, cause I know you want to. If only you'll hold on, just hold on. I'm here and I'm with you. I'm here too, I feel you. We'll get through. I know this, I've seen it 100 times, 1,000 times. Just one more time with you and I'll pull you close, and then we'll say goodbye. I got a whole hell of a lot to say, even if it hurts sometimes. And if you will, come and hear the message, and everyone will hope and pray that the best will sure survive. And if it's true, then you feel the message. A perfect life for a perfect brand new day. We're the next in line. And do you think that you have that in you? So if you're here and you're curious tonight, then I'll give you a free ride. Take a chance, cause I know you want to. If only you'll hold on, just hold on. stone. My love will not die, please let it be known. This place is dead, it echoes through town. There isn't one voice, I haven't heard a sound. The planes flew in, their bombs did too. The city fell flat, the fires they grew. When the smoke comes in, it'll color this town, but I'll still have you, so I'll say it aloud. I'll be your distraction. I'll be your distraction. The friendships we made is a waste of our time. There's no one left here to show a future that's kind. It's a world of hate, gone incredibly wrong. We cared too late, we just followed along. And the boys went down with a gun in their hand, their weapon of choice, their knees in the sand. That field nearby was still there to be used. Would you ever have known those words were for you? I'll be your distraction. 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 I'll be yours. I'll be yours. again, the one where I wake up and I'm alive. Just as the four walls close me within, my eyes are open up with pure sunlight. I'm the first to know, my dearest friends, even if your hope has burned with time, anything that's dead shall be regrown, and your vicious pain, your warning sign, you will be fine. Ayo, here I am, and here we go, lives waiting to begin. Every single tree reach for the sky. If you're gonna fall, I'll let you know that I will pick you up like you fly. I felt this thing I can't replace, where everyone was working for this goal, where all the children left without a trace, only to come back as pure as gold to recite this song. Ayo, here I am, and here we go, lives waiting to begin. Tonight, ayo, here I am, and here we go, lives waiting to begin. Tonight, ayo.